Instinct draws the newborn to a mother's warmth, and prey imprints on predator. Maybe the lioness has lost her own young. Whatever the reason, she bonds in return. By a fluke of nature, the lioness has saved the calf from hyenas. But how long is she safe here? The bonding goes on all day. Finally, a distraction. Only nature knows why she lets the calf go. But where's mother? The worst threat to newborns is separation. 24 hours after losing her calf, reunion. Threatened by hyenas, saved by the lioness.